Welcome to English Mastery Voyage channel.
Lila loves ballet. Lila is a little girl who loves ballet. Every day after school, she goes to ballet class. She wears a pink tutu and ballet shoes. Lila's teacher, Miss Emma, shows her how to dance. Lila loves to twirl and jump. She listens to the music and moves her arms and legs gracefully. Ballet makes her very happy. She feels like a beautiful ballerina. One day, Miss Emma tells the class about a big ballet show. Lila is excited. She wants to dance in the show. Miss Emma says they need to practice a lot. Lila works hard every day. She practices her steps and tries her best. On the day of the show, Lila is a little nervous. She puts on her pink tutu and ballet shoes. Her mom and dad are in the audience, smiling and cheering for her. The music starts, and Lila begins to dance. She twirls and jumps just like she practiced. She feels happy and proud. The audience claps and cheers for her and her friends. After the show, Miss Emma gives Lila a hug. "You did a great job, Lila," she says. Lila smiles and feels very proud of herself. She loves ballet and can't wait to dance again. Special celebration. Jimmy is an 18-year-old boy who loves his parents very much. One day, he learns that his parents' 20th wedding anniversary is coming soon. He wants to do something special for them. Jimmy decides to organize a surprise party. He plans everything. Carefully, he buys balloons, decorations, and a big cake. He also invites his parents' closest friends and family members. On the day of the celebration, Jimmy wakes up early to set up the decorations. He hangs up the balloons and streamers in the living room. He puts the big cake on the table and lights some candles. When his parents wake up, Jimmy leads them to the living room. "Happy anniversary!" he shouts with a big smile. His parents are very surprised and happy. They hug Jimmy and thanked him for his kindness. Jimmy's parents, friends, and family arrive soon after. Everyone enjoys the party. They eat the delicious cake, take photos, and share happy memories. Jimmy's parents are touched by the effort and love that Jimmy put into the celebration at the end of the day. Jimmy's mom and dad thank him again. "You made this anniversary very special for us," they say. Jimmy feels proud and happy. He loves seeing his parents smile and knows that he has made them very happy. Dad fixes the lamp. One day, the family lamp broke. It was in the living room and stopped working. The children, Emma and Tom, were sad. They loved the warm light from the lamp. "Dad, can you fix the lamp?" Emma asked. Dad smiled and said, "I will try my best." He took the lamp to his workbench. He looked at the lamp carefully. "I think the wire is broken," he said. He took out his tools and started working. Emma and Tom watched their dad. He replaced the old wire with a new one. Then he put the lamp back. Together, "Let's see if it works," Dad said. He plugged in the lamp and turned it on. The lamp lit up. Emma and Tom cheered. "Thank you, Dad. You fixed it." Dad smiled and said, "I'm glad I could help." Nathan's favorite dish. Nathan loved his mom's lasagna. It was his favorite dish. The lasagna had layers of pasta, cheese, and rich tomato sauce with ground beef. The top was golden and crispy, and the cheese melted perfectly. Nathan's mom made it with special spices that made it taste amazing. One day, Nathan told his friends about the lasagna. "My mom makes the best lasagna ever," he said proudly. "The pasta is soft and the sauce is so rich and flavorful. The cheese is stretchy and delicious. When you take a bite, it melts in your mouth. It's like a taste of heaven." His friends listened with wide eyes. They wanted to try the lasagna too. Nathan felt proud of his mom's cooking. He knew that her lasagna was something special. Miss Anna's butterfly lesson. Miss Anna was a preschool teacher. One day, she taught a special biology lesson about the life cycle of a butterfly. The children were very excited. "Today, we will learn about how a butterfly grows," Miss Anna said with a smile. She showed the children a picture of a butterfly and an egg. "The butterfly starts as a tiny egg on a leaf," she explained. Next, Miss Anna showed a picture of a caterpillar. "The egg hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats a lot of leaves and grows bigger," she said. Then she showed a picture of a chrysalis. "The caterpillar makes a chrysalis around itself. Inside, it changes and grows." Finally, Miss Anna showed a picture of a butterfly. "The chrysalis opens and a beautiful butterfly comes out. It flies away to find flowers." The children loved the lesson and asked many questions. Miss Anna was happy to see them learn and enjoy the lesson. George's new house. Today, George's family moved to a new house. It was bigger and more comfortable than their old house. They were very excited. The new house had a big, grassy yard in front. George and his little sister ran around and played on the grass. They were very happy to have so much space to play. Inside the house, the living room was very elegant. There was a big sofa and a beautiful coffee table. The walls were painted in soft colors, making the room feel warm and cozy. The kitchen was modern and had many appliances. There was a big fridge, an oven, and a microwave. George's mom loved the kitchen. There was also a window in the kitchen that looked out to the garden. The garden had colorful flowers and a small path. George's room was upstairs. He had a big bed and a desk where he could do his homework. His sister's room was next door, and she had a lot of toys. George's family was very happy in their new house. They loved the new space and felt very comfortable. George couldn't wait to invite his friends to see the new house.